Hey guys, what's up? Rockstar with the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Sorry I missed this story. Somehow it slipped past me, but I was just scrolling through and reading some of the eBay news that I get on a daily basis. I'm subscribed to a lot of stuff. And apparently if you spend $150 or more on eBay, you will get a free Google Home Mini. That's kind of like that smart speaker, smart home type thing where you can say, hey Google. And so this looks like it's good until May 20th. At time of posting this video will be May 16th at the night. So you're gonna have a few more days to get it. You'll need to add the Google Home Mini to your shopping cart from Google's eBay account. See the button at the end of the article. I'll link it down below. The offer does not apply to Google Home Mini sold by third parties. So you have to do it from Google's actual eBay account. Again, I'll put that down below for you. You need $150 in qualifying eBay purchases to your shopping cart. Finally, you enter the code it's P free, P as in Paul, free mini, P free mini at checkout, and the Google Home Mini cost will be removed. So if you're gonna be spending some money on eBay this week, get yourself a free Google Home Mini. There's a few caveats to the offer as usual, starting with qualifying purchases. Paper money, coins, gift cards, coupons, real estate don't count. The coupon is limited to one per account. The deal expires on May 20th at 11:59 p.m. I would assume that is Pacific time, or while stock lasts. eBay users outside the US do not qualify. So I'll link this below if you guys are interested in the Google Home Mini speaker. There it is for free. You can get it. All you have to do is spend $150 on eBay. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Sorry I missed that. It looks like it's 2 days old, but go get yourself a free Google Home Mini. We'll see you next time.